We see so many people struggling with anxiety, low mood, or sleep problems, and these things can really wreak havoc on your life. Now, I want to start by saying that you're not making this up. You're not too sensitive, and it's not just that you need to relax. Okay, so we see this pattern all the time. You're emotionally drained, mentally foggy, tired but wired, and maybe even snapping at people that you care about. And deep down, you don't feel like yourself. So here's what's really going on. Your nervous system is stuck in survival mode. It's constantly scanning for threats in your environment, work stress, lack of sleep, emotional strain, relationships, poor blood sugar regulation. And when that happens, your body shifts out of healing mode and into protection. So when you stay in that state for too long, then here's what starts to break down. Sleep becomes light or broken or just hard to fall into. Mood swings become more frequent and your tolerance shrinks for stress. Energy dips, but your brain just won't turn off at night. Your hormones, digestion, and immune system all start to take a hit. And cortisol, your main stress hormone, is designed to rise and fall with the day. But if it's flatlined, if it's spiking at night, or if it's constantly elevated, okay, then it throws everything else off. So this is why you might be doing all the right things, eating clean, exercising, even taking supplements, and still not feeling better. Because your body can't heal if it doesn't feel safe. So what can you do now? Well, first, prioritize a daily wind down routine that tells your body that the threat is over. That could be deep breathing, low lights at night, taking magnesium, or even journaling. But it needs to happen consistently. That's the most important thing, is being consistent. Second is focus on blood sugar balance. It may sound random, but every time your blood sugar crashes, your body triggers a mini stress response. So protein with every meal is a non-negotiable. Okay, every meal. You want at least a palm-sized amount each time you eat a meal. And third, okay, stop ignoring rest like it's something that's optional. Okay, rest is productive. When you give your body the conditions for recovery, it will respond. So now that you've taken note of these things, implement a few of these tips. Don't just learn this stuff and let it go in one ear and out the other. It will only make a difference if and when you implement this in your life. Okay, then subscribe here for more of this good stuff. We're going to be coming out with these videos regularly. And report back, comment below how this is going for you, how it's making you feel, or any challenges or questions that you have, and we will support you.